Sniper trade of the day for September 22nd, 2025. Continuation pattern in Rigetti Computing. This was yesterday's price range on Friday. There's a big gap down from here all the way down to here. Sells off hard to yesterday's low, finds support, and then reverses the 10-minute candle. We buy the breakout of the 10-minute candle. We take yesterday's low, we add a range stat, which is $2.64 to the low of the day. We get an upside target of 28.15. Make our entry. We're using an R5 risk box of 50 cents. It moves right to the range stat, hesitates, holds support. There's an opportunity for a second position, takes out yesterday's high. Maximum favorable excursion. We retain 70% of that maximum favorable excursion for a 3R win. This is routine trading. Come find out how we do it.